Hello, welcome to Coding Solution. In last video we saw what is software. In this video we will understand what is preprocessor. To understand this in a better way, let us consider one example. Suppose we are given one string coding. Each letter should be printed in a box where a corner should be represented by a plus, rest with 3 minus signs. Let's see how does it look. A string separated by space should be represented in 2 lines like this. It looks bit cluttered here. Let's see in Notepad how does it actually look. Now I hope the problem statement makes sense to you. You started writing the code. You wrote function 1, function 2 which does some task. Finally you will be getting your result in this form. You have your code ready. After some time when you come back, you realize that you are not able to understand your own logic. To make it simple for you, you can write some comment. Give it to some software which will just discard it before compilation. Let's see how does it actually work. You write your program in high level language with comments. Give it to preprocessor. Preprocessor will remove all the comments and unnecessary lines and generate an intermediate file .i. .i file will go to compiler and compiler will generate a .asm file. .asm file will go to assembler which will generate a binary instruction for CPU. Let's see how does it look in real world. Go to start, open Visual Studio 2019, create a new project, create console app, select a project location. For now I will be selecting F drive. Give it a project name. For me it is preprocessor demo. Click create. Similar to previous demos, we will delete C++ and create a C file. If you don't know what I mean by this statement, please watch what is software. We will just print coding solution in our program and it works. After long time when we come back, we will not remember why did we print coding solution. So what we can do is we can just write a comment here. Why did we do that? Let's see if it works. Yeah, it works. We will see one more demonstration of define. Let's define a macro fun main. So what this macro will do is it will just replace fun with main. By the way, the include statement is just a copy paste. Whatever functionality is present in studio.h, it will be simply copy pasted here in preprocessor demo.c. We will see the output for better clarity. Build system doesn't generate any intermediate file by default. We have to externally ask for it. Go to preprocessor.demo, right click on it, go to properties, go to C++, go to preprocessor, click preprocesses to a file and make it yes. Go to preprocessor demo project, go to debug, open preprocessor demo.i. See, we just wrote has include studio.h. It has replaced all the function present in studio.h in our preprocessor demo.i. Now the command line we wrote, that is removed. We wrote has defined fun main. So wherever we wrote fun, it has just replaced with main. In this video we just saw include and define preprocessor directive. We saw how to add comment lines, which is not a preprocessor directive, but comments are removed during preprocessor stage. There are some other preprocessor directive, please explore on that. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.